Wait, why was the Zoom ended?
I don't know. I think
The Jennifer and
I think Mr. Mom is connection Wi-Fi is not.
Why was the Zoom ended? Oh, because the bad connection.
I think
yes, my connection is bad. Jocelyn, I'm sorry for that one.
Nah, it's okay because I was in the toilet.
yes,
I'm
it's
very
okay.
sorry. Thank you, Queenie. I'm very sorry, girls.
No problem.
Okay, where are the entity kids? Did they also left the meet?
Yes. When
Oh,
Miss
when I left?
Germany leave, and
Yes.
India becoming the host, and he end up closing all of the meeting. So everyone just
Oh,
think the meeting is
so,
uh
so
done.
gladly you still, I mean, you still came back, so it's okay.
Yeah, but I think the entity kids have bad connection, so they might take some time joining the Zoom.
Yes, they also have, they also don't have a good connection there. Okay, so 11 of you now. Okay, so let us continue. Let's continue our discussion. So let's have now. Okay, Joy. The next sentence is for you, Joy.
Oh, okay. My friends likes to read books about how do I read that?
Fairies.
Oh, fairies.
Yes. So what are the nouns in the sentence? Joy,
The nouns, uh, the nouns is books.
the nouns. Okay, so you
I
have
think,
books. What else?
is fairies including?
Yes, it is.
Oh, books,
One
fairies,
more.
and wait. Oh, friend.
Okay, Joy, are you going to say the nouns is, or
Oh,
are you going to say the nouns are?
oh, R.
Okay, say it again, Joy. The nouns.
The nouns are friend, books, and fairies.
Yes, very good. Okay, Joy, before we move to the next sentence, let's talk about fairies. The noun fairies. This is in singular or plural form,
I
Joy?
think it's a plural because there's the S.
Yes. Um, do you know what's the singular form of fairies?
Is it uh the same thing but without S?
So we say Fairie.
Fairy. Wait, is that make sense though?
Okay. In the chat box, teacher will be writing the singular form of fairy.
Oh, fairy.
Yes. So for that words, you didn't discuss this one in school, Joy. You didn't learn this one in school.
I don't think I have learned that yet, but I know what it is, but I don't know what is the singular and the plural.
Okay. So see, kids, everyone, fairy in the chat box. That's the spelling. That is singular. To make it in plural, you're going to change letter Y to letter I, then you add ES. So that's so you have fairies as its plural form. So with the word berry. Okay, Joy, try to change the word berry. For example, strawberry, raspberry. change the word berry into plural form. Change Y to I, then you add ES.
Wait. Okay, so I think it's spelled like this, maybe?
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, okay. Yay.
Okay, everyone look at the chat box. So Jocelyn's answer. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Queenie, for sending this images. So berries, Berries. Okay, how about we have, how about if we have the word toy? So to make it plural, we simply add S to it. So toy, toys. So you have key, the plural form is keys. So why? Why is it like that? It's because, um, for a while, I will be, where is it? Oh, Joy, am I sharing my screen, Joy?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, I need to stop sharing for a while. I need to do this. Okay. So on my screen, you have these words. So key, singular form. Its plural form is keys. Okay, so you have their letter Y. You don't change that Y to I because it is after a vowel. Okay? It is after a vowel. What are vowels? Or what are the five vowels? Anyone? We have A, E, I, O, and U. So if a noun ends in letter Y and it follows a vowel, you just need to add S to make it plural. Okay, if you also have hay, its plural form is hays.
Sorry, but
Okay?
what is hay?
You know what, rice? I mean, how do you call that one? I'll show you a picture. Do you know what rice
Yeah, I
is,
know.
Joy?
Yeah, I
And
know.
in the field,
In the field?
if we get those rice grains, the leftover, the stalk are what we call hays
Oh,
or a haystack. It's you. Where can we find it? We can find it in the farm, in the field, like this one. Um, do I touch it? Oh, it's not clear. Oh, it's not making
oh,
sense
it's
because
kind of
it's not
blurry.
clear. Yeah, it's not. It's really blurry. What's that? For a while. Oh, super.
Oh, I think in our country we call that padi, I think.
Oh yeah. Where can we find it? We can find it in fields, okay? When you get the grains from the stalk itself from the rice. Okay, so that's what you call haze. Okay, very good. The NTT kids are already here. Thank you. You're back. You're also back in class. Okay, so let's continue now. Girls, can I have you now for the next sentence? Okay. Girls. Hello, girls.
Me, please, teacher.
Teacher Ella, can the girls read the next sentence?
Yes, teacher. Go. Hello, teacher.
Yes. Girls, please read
Our
this
teacher
one.
gave use homework. Give us homework. Mom and dad are going out for dinner.
Okay. Mom and dad are going out for dinner. Girls,
Dinner.
what? Yes. What are the nouns in the sentence?
Mom and dad.
Yeah. Okay. I'll change this
The
one.
nouns are mom and dad.
Okay. So we have mom and okay.
And dad.
So, oh, we still have one, two, three, four. So we have mom, dad, and the word dinner is also a noun. Okay? Okay, girls, we have mom, dad, and dinner. Okay, girls, continue with the next sentence. Girls, continue with the next sentence. Teacher Ella, I still want the girls to read. Go, girls.
Our teacher gave us homework.
Very good. What are the nouns, girls? What are the nouns? We have
Teacher, homework.
okay. We have teacher and we also have
Me, please, teacher.
yes. Teacher, we have teacher and we also have homework. Okay? That's good. Two nouns in the sentence. Okay, last two sentences now. Catherine. Catherine, maybe you would like to answer the next sentence.
Okay, it's okay.
Yes. Okay, if not Catherine, Tiara. Tiara, would you like to read the next sentence? Tiara Moy.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, hello. Read the next sentence. This one.
Baca.
The next sentence, my.
My sock has hole in it.
Yes. Okay. My sack has a hole in it. What are the nouns in the sentence?
Please.
Yes. In that sentence, we have,
Sock and hole.
yes, we have sack and we also have hole. Okay, very good. Sack and hole are the nouns in the sentence. Okay, last sentence. Can I go back? Okay, Katrina, last sentence, please.
Yes, miss.
Okay, last,
The book,
l-
the,
continue.
the book has a blue cover.
Yes. Katrina, what are the nouns?
Book and blue cover.
Without blue, we have book and
Cover.
okay, because the word blue is already an adjective describing cover. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Katrina.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, now can I ask okay, can I ask Jennifer now to read all the nouns? Jennifer, I want you to read all the nouns, the one that I highlighted with yellow. Okay, go Jennifer. Jennifer. Jennifer, hello. Joy, can you still hear me, Joy?
Yeah, I can.
How about the others? Shitya, can you hear teacher?
Yes, teacher, I can hear you.
Okay, Shitya, please read all the nouns.
Can you repeat it?
I want you to read all the nouns, the one that I highlighted with yellow.
Fireman, cat, tree, friend, movies, friend, books, fires, mom, dad, dinner, teacher, homework, all, book cover.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Shitya.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so I hope with that activity, you already know what are what are nouns. Okay, we still have time. Let's have a writing activity. Okay, let's have a writing activity. So,
Ditulis.
okay. So I have here a sentence on my
Ditulis,
screen.
teacher.
Okay, what I want you to do is to rewrite the sentence to make it correct. So we have here, my friend's name is Jocelyn. I want you to write
Please.
or to give the answer in the chat box. Entity kids, Yara, please use the chat box to give your answer. How are we going to how are you going to change or to rewrite this sentence to make it correct? Or maybe you can open your microphone and say, what
Finish.
are we going to do?
Me.
Yes? Yes,
My
Orlando?
friend, my friend, name, my friend names is Jocelyn.
Okay, Queenie, what are we going to do to make it correct?
Friend, my friend names is Jocelyn.
Yes, what are we going to do to make it correct?
Make it correct.
Yes.
His name
Yes, what are we going to do? Since this is a sentence, we are going to change. Okay, we are going to start it with a capital letter. And Jocelyn here is a name of a person. So that's why change Jocelyn, J to capital letter. then you're going to put a period at the end. Okay, so that is how you correct the sentence. Okay, how about I have this word, this sentence. Okay, so we have this sentence now. Entity kids, please read the sentence. Girls, how do you read that one?
Orlando plays at the park.
Okay, so Orlando plays at the park. What are we going to do to make that correct? What are we going to do to make it correct? Jennifer?
Yes, miss.
Cynthia? Yes, what are we going to do to make this sentence correct?
Orlando play at the park.
What are we going to do to make it correct? The given verb is plays. This is already correct, but Mark, would you like to help your classmates?
Okay, I guess I can try help. Oh, I already spot the first mistake. Orlando is a name, a person name.
Yes.
So capitalization is needed. Big O, uppercase O. Second one, oh, the dot. Don't forget the period, the dot.
Okay, the period or the dot. Okay, so thank you, Mark. So
Hey, you're
kids,
welcome.
so you need to remember that one, okay? We need to change Orlando into capital letter O because aside from it's a name of aside from it starts at the beginning, it should be capital because it's a name of a person. Okay, how about if I have this one? Okay, I have this sentence. I have this sentence. Okay, Shitya, please read this one. Shitya.
Yes. Honey lives in Indonesia.
Okay, very good. So Hani lives in Indonesia. Okay, who would like to discuss what are we going to do to make this sentence correct? Girls, what are we going to do? Entity girls. Hani lives in Indonesia. We are going to Mark. Could you please help them again? Could you please help the class again, Mark?
Yes, Mr. Main.
Okay.
Oh, the period.
Yes. What else? Oh, it's here already.
Another capitalization. Honey is a
Yes.
name,
Yes.
so should be capital I, capital H.
What? Yes. And is this already correct, Mark?
Honey live. Oh, the Indonesia. It's a country. Gotta be
Yes.
uppercase.
Very good. So Hani lives in Indonesia, everyone. This is now the correct way of writing the sentence. Capital letter H for a name of a person. Capital letter I because it's a name, a proper noun for a proper noun for a place. Okay, good. Okay, so it's already time, but let me give you one last sentence, okay? One last sentence.
Goodbye, Miss.
No, we're not yet done.
I'm sorry.
Okay. We have the sentence. Orlando, how do you read this one, Orlando?
Okay, Miss. Today is Thursday.
Yes, today is Thursday. It's a sentence. What are we going to do to make it correct before we end today? What are we going to do to make it correct? Joy.
Are you calling me? Did you call me, Miss?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
What
let's
are we
see.
going to do, Joy?
So first of all, because today is the first words in the sentence, so we're going to change the T into a capital letter.
Very good. Next.
And Thursday, I think name of the day we need to use capital letter also.
Yes, exactly, because it's a proper noun. And one last thing to remember.
The dot.
Okay, the dot in the sentence. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Thank you, Joy.
No problem, Miss.
Everybody, today is a Thursday. What happened in the sentence? Change it to capital because it's the beginning of the sentence. Thursday should also be in capital because it's a name of a day. And don't forget about the correct punctuation mark for the sentence. So, I hope with that short period of time, you have learned something from our discussion. Everyone, teacher will take a screenshot of us, okay? Before we end, everyone, 1, 2, 3, smile. Very, very good. Okay? Thank you, kids, for being with me. I am happy to be with you too this evening. I'll see you next week. Okay? Thank you, kids. Thank you, Teacher Ella. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Goodbye.
Bye, Queenie. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Orlando. Tiara, thank you.